Alright, this is our kitchen we're tearing out over here in Kirkwood. Kind of small, nice, quaint, nice area. And then in here, we're gonna remove that wainscot. Take that all off, figure out the crown, but we're gonna put in some built-ins, cabinetry on around that window, replace the window. It's gonna be awesome. We're set up over here in Kirkwood, got the dump trailer, starting the house project. And this is the kitchen. This tile's on a bunch of plywood. There's a quaint little powder room in here. Little sink, exposed plumbing and stuff. Cute. And then we got some built-ins going in right there on that wall to wall, around that window. Taking out the window, putting in a new one. And then the kitchen, this is all getting a facelift here. Right now we got this. This. And then got a step down. And tear out that floor. Hopefully be real close to flush in this, what the existing floor is right now. We'll see. Almost finished with this job here.